If you're an aspiring architectural and interior photographer, this video is for you. Have you ever found yourself frustrated with spending hours at a photo shoot, then staying up until 2 a.m. in the editing dungeon only to get lackluster results? Trust me, I've been there. You're about to discover the top 5 architectural and interior photography mistakes that are stopping you from getting the editorial look.
Hi, I'm Brad Scott, a seasoned interior and architectural photographer with years of experience in the industry. I've made a thriving career out of photographing some of the most beautiful properties, both residential and commercial, and today I'm thrilled to introduce you to a course that will not only elevate your photography skills, but also open up a world of opportunities photographing homes, hotels, resorts, and commercial spaces.
Mistake number 1 is not embracing the shadows. Shadows are what give an image depth, texture, and atmosphere. When you attempt to remove shadows completely, you lose dimension, highlight textures, and mood. By balancing highlights and shadows accurately, you'll create a much more visually pleasing image. Mistake number 2 is shooting too close to furniture. Positioning your camera too close to furniture can distort perspectives, limit composition options, and compromise the overall representation of the space. Maintaining a suitable distance away from furniture ensures a more accurate, balanced, and appealing portrayal of the interior. Mistake number 3 is shooting too wide. Shooting excessively wide can lead to distorted proportions, exaggerated spaces, and unintended inclusions of unwanted elements. Photographers looking to work in the architectural and interior design space need to rethink composition. Instead of using super wide focal lengths like 14 to 16 mm, try using 24 to 50 mm focal lengths to compress the background. Focus on highlighting architectural details and vignettes of design elements instead of shooting the entire space. Mistake number 4 is oversaturation of color. Oversaturating your colors, especially blue and yellow tones, leads to an unnatural appearance, an overall inaccurate representation of the color, and distracts away from interior design elements. Striking a balance in color adjustments is essential to maintain accuracy, which is crucial in this industry. Mistake number 5 is overuse of clarity and sharpening tools. Maxing out the clarity and sharpening sliders while editing architectural and interior photos can lead to a cartoonish or artificial appearance. The clarity slider creates noise and graininess, as well as introduces moire and makes highlights look muddy. And the worst offender of all is the unpleasant halos caused by the overuse of these tools. A nuanced approach is essential to maintain the image's natural look and professional quality. Let's take a sneak peek of what this course has in store for you.
In the first module, we'll dive into the fundamental principles of interior and architectural photography. You'll understand why your role is pivotal in the commercial, residential, and hospitality market, and how your lens can be the key to unlocking a space's true potential and a valuable asset to your client's marketing.
Module 2 is all about the tools of the trade. We'll explore the must-have equipment from cameras to lenses to lighting that make your photos truly shine. You'll discover how to create captivating images, whether you're shooting interiors or exteriors. Module 3 is going to get you up to speed on the best camera settings for capturing accurate, clear, and well-exposed images. Then in Module 4, we'll go over how to assess natural light as well as practical lighting. We'll then cover how to introduce additional lighting with flash to create dynamic and beautiful images that best showcase a space.
Now let's talk about composition. Module 5 will teach you how to frame shots that tell a story. From capturing the flow of a room to highlighting architectural details, you'll master the art of composition in interior and architectural photography.
In Module 6, we'll guide you through the editing process. You can do everything absolutely perfect during the photo shoot, but if you don't know how to correctly edit those images, it will all be in vain. Learn how to enhance your images, correct color, and create stunning photos that set your portfolio apart. We'll show you how to composite multiple ambient exposures with flash layers and then turn them into the final deliverable image that will wow your clients.
You'll be able to use this course to provide a service that's so valuable to your clients that they're willing to pay a premium for the photos you're delivering. Photographing interiors, both residential and commercial, is one of the best niches in the photography world to earn a full-time income.
We'll dive into the marketing strategies tailored for interior and architectural photographers. You'll discover how to build a standout portfolio, attract clients, and create additional income by licensing images that you've already captured. If you're ready to position yourself as the go-to photographer in your market, this is going to get you there.
But the real magic happens when you put it all together. Join us for Mastering Interiors and Architectural Photography, and not only will you gain the skills to create stunning images, but you'll also be getting a behind-the-scenes look at my very own six-figure business and the secrets to taking your business to the next level.